I'm Steve Francis, Director of the National Intellectual Property Rights Coordination Center.
And I'm Ann Harkins, President and CEO of the National Crime Prevention Council.
October is Crime Prevention Month. The IPR Center, along with the National Crime Prevention Council and local community leaders, are teaming up to take a bite out of crime.
That's right, Director. The themes that the National Crime Prevention Council is highlighting this month are a celebration of McGruff the Crime Dog's 40th anniversary, working together to reduce violent crime, what we're talking about today, which is promoting public health and safety in our communities, anti-counterfeiting, and fraud prevention.
As many of you know, the federal government raised the minimum purchase age for tobacco products, including e-cigarettes, from 18 to 21 last year. To help curb underage use of vaping and e-cigarettes, the FDA has taken a number of actions, including restricting product availability in addition to enforcement. However, despite these efforts, young people still smoke and vape at high rates.
That's right, Steve. According to recent data from the CDC and the FDA's National Youth Tobacco Survey, there has been an alarming uptick in the usage of disposable e-cigarettes by youth. 3.6 million youth ages 12 to 17 are using disposable e-cigarettes, and 8 out of 10 youth e-cigarette users report use of flavored products with fruit, mint, candy, and menthol. In addition, as many as 80% of middle and high school students do not perceive that regular use of e-cigarettes may pose a great risk of harm.
As a law enforcement officer and a parent of 3 teenagers, I am alarmed at both the volume of youth vaping and e-cigarettes usage and the amount of illicit black market vapor and counterfeit tobacco products entering the United States. Here are 4 things you should know. Black market and counterfeit products present serious health and safety risks because they often are manufactured in unsanitary conditions without quality controls and product testing. These dangerous products are often available online without age verification, sold at retail outlets that do not check IDs, and through non-traditional retail channels online. Illegal transactions are against the law and undermine underage prevention measures because they make illicit products easier for minors to access. It has been estimated that if global illicit tobacco trade were eliminated, governments around the globe would immediately gain at least $31 billion in revenue. And beginning in 2030, more than 160,000 lives would be saved each year.
In keeping with our history of working together to fight intellectual property theft, the National Crime Prevention Council and the IPR Center are launching a unique initiative to educate the public on the consequences of counterfeit e-cigarettes and other black market vapor products, as well as to provide tools and resources to report issues to law enforcement. At NCPC, of course, we celebrate crime prevention every day, in every part of every community, where we live and where we shop, whether that's in person or online. Here's how you can help us protect adult consumers from the risks of illicit vapor products and keep all vapor products, authentic ones and fakes, out of the reach of our country's youth.
Watch where you shop. According to the CDC, nearly 80% of patients diagnosed with e-cigarette or vaping product use associated lung injuries reported acquiring their vape products from informal sources, such as pop-ups, friends, family, or online retailers. If you are an adult choosing to consume vape products, make sure you purchase them from trusted sources.
Pay attention to packaging, flavor, and other product markers that indicate whether your purchase is real or counterfeit. The market is burgeoning with lookalikes. If, as an adult, you use e-cigarettes, the last thing you want to do is expose yourself to dangerously high levels of nicotine or other harmful chemicals, or even contaminants like urine or insects.
If you're an adult consumer, support the reputable companies that conduct vigorous product testing and make their products under well-controlled conditions. While vaping has its own risks, unregulated products can pose a greater threat to public health and undermine underage prevention measures because they make illicit products easier for minors to access. Working together, we can combat the dangers of black market vapor and counterfeit tobacco products through awareness and education, with a specific focus on underage vaping and e-cigarettes.
For more information and additional educational materials, visit the National Crime Prevention Council's website at ncpc.org.
To report IP theft, contact the National IPR Center's tip line at 1-866-347-2423.